Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I thought I'd jump on here real quick and show you a really cute card I made with my Cricut. This is for graduation, and sometimes you forget, if you have a Cricut, how helpful it can be when making a card. So I don't have very many graduation stamps or die cuts or anything like that. So I went on Cricut and I chose this design. The color of the school is orange and blue, are the colors of the school. And it's for Langston University in Oklahoma. And then I used this congrats from super old set of sentiments or embellishments from Little Birdie. And these are the little self-adhesive handmade embellishment. But I thought it looked really cute. And if you can see in the back there, the L and the U, I just kind of wanted that to be really very undercover, like, you know, and not screaming. But I thought the card turned out really cute. I really think she'll like it. Once again, this is just using my Cricut and trying to find something a little different. I did use a die from my die set to cut out the layers, but a super simple, easy card. I popped up the hat with some foam tape just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension. So let me know what you think below. Are you still using your Cricut to create card designs? Let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.